Welcome again, guys. Welcome to Jamaican Versions. You know, we play international version of a song, then we play the Jamaican version. Today, I'm gonna be doing trying to get to you by Eugene Records, and the other version by Richie Stevens, trying to get to you. So you know it. So let's go into it. But before we start, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. So let's go. Shake. Would you believe I've lost the race again? But I'm coming again, cause I just gotta get in. Cause I'm trying to get to you, to you, to you. The brick wall you wear is as obvious as the color of your hair. But won't you believe that I really care? Cause I'm trying to get to you, to you, to you. I tried love letters, but they all came back unopened. Guess you thought you'd read the same old thing again. I tried telephoning every time it rang out. Guess you thought you'd hear the same old thing again. Girl, you're not alone. Girl, you're not alone. Would you believe I lost my way back to love? To a love that never existed, because I see it in you. I keep trying to get to you, to you, to you. Yeah, this is one of my favorite songs back in the days. You know, girl, you're not alone. All these years I've been trying to get to you. You know, so trying to get to you all these years. Just a smile or two. Am I getting through now? Just a touch or two. Love is getting to you. Don't fight what life demands. I'll be trying to get to you, to you, to you. Yeah, tried writing up letters, but they all came back unopened. Yeah. Girl, you're not alone. Lost my way back to love, to a love that never existed. Cause I see it in you. Cause I'm trying to get to you, to you, to you. Just a smile or two. Just a smile or two. Hey. Am I getting through now? Just a touch or two. Just a touch or two. Love is getting to you. Don't fight what life demands. I'll keep trying. Yeah, that was Eugene record with Trying to Get to You. So now we're going to be doing the Jamaican version of that song by Richie Stevens. So here we go.
I'm trying to get close to you, my love. Ooh, the shape by me.
Reggae style.
And would you believe I
Lost the race again. Yeah.
But I'm coming again, cause I just gotta get in.
Gotta get in, girl. Cause I'm trying to get to you.
To you.
Yeah.
Is it
Obvious as the colors of your
and would you believe, baby, I really care.
Cause I'm trying to get to you. Yeah.
Oh, I tried writing letters, but they all came back unopened. Guess without you, we the same old thing again. Oh, I tried telephoning, every time it rang, I was wishing. Girl, you thought you hear the same old thing again. Girl, you're not alone.
Girl, you're not alone.
Would you believe I have lost my way back to love?
Lost my way back to
To a
love.
love that never existed, and I see it in you. Cause I'm trying to get to you.
Yo, you and Monster trying to get back to you. Lost his way to love, but what? He's trying to get back to you. So here we go with more Richie Stevens.
Oh, baby, I wanna hold you, get next to you,
Closer and closer.
closer. Ooh, the shape by me.
Ooh, the shape of me. Would you believe I've lost the race again?
But I'm coming again, cause I just gotta get in.
Cause I'm trying to get to you. Yeah.
Take the walls away. Is as obvious as
The colors of your hair.
and would you believe that I really care?
Cause I'm trying to get to you.
Oh, I tried writing letters, but they all came back unopened.
Cause it's got you.
We the same old thing again. Oh, I tried telephoning, every time it rang, I was hoping, but it thought you'd hear the same old thing again.
Girl, you're not alone.
Shoo-ly-boo-ly-doo-ly-doo.
Shake.
Won't you come over? Girl, you're not alone.
Girl, you're not alone.
Would you believe I had lost my way back to love?
I lost my way back to love.
That never existed, and I see it in you.
Yeah, so that's Richie Stevens' version of Trying to Get to You. So, guys, as I said, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So this is Big Papa signing out for now. Thank you.